जय हिंद साथियों, देश की बात फाउंडेशन is organizing Indian Youth Dialogue from 15th August to 21st August. In view of current scenario, the dialogue will take place online. The vision of the dialogue is to make our country powerful by ensuring economic, social and political justice and national unity through positive nationalism.
Friends, we are going through a time where on one hand we face a contagious pandemic like corona, on the other hand our economic situation is severely deteriorating. The condition of Indian economy was already in bad shape. Corona crisis made it worse. According to one estimate, the unemployment rate in India is expected to rise from 23% to 45% due to current pandemic. One of the major causes of India's economic crisis is inequality. According to an Oxfam report, the rich 1% of Indian population owns more than 4 times of the total wealth of 70% of the population from the lower strata. The economic inequality of India is also linked with social inequality. The social inequality leads to discrimination on the basis of caste, religion, sect, gender, language, and others. Social justice is essential to mitigate this social discrimination. The present government is intensifying the gap of social inequality by promoting different discriminative elements of the society instead of upholding the principle of social justice. Indian Constitution is not only in favor of social justice but also stands firmly with political rights of the people here. For some time now, we are witnessing how our political rights are shrinking day by day. Today, whether the issue is related to freedom of expression, right to protest, or right to criticize the anti-people policies of the government, everywhere efforts are being made to suppress the voice of dissent. The economic, social and political crisis of India have also weakened the national unity which was in existence for many years. Handful of people motivated by their particular ideology are trying to disturb the unity of the country to achieve their political interest by putting thousands of years of country's essence at stake. They are trying to break our national unity in the name of nationalism. This nationalism is negative nationalism, as the basis of this nationalism is hatred. Instead of resolving real issues of the country, negative nationalism pitches human against human. On the other hand, positive nationalism is developed on the foundation of love. The goal of positive nationalism is to make India a strong country by ensuring economic, social, political justice and national unity. According to positive nationalism, patriotism is not to have blind faith on any party or leader, but to ensure basic facilities like food, clothes, shelter, education, health and employment to every citizen of the country. Thus, positive nationalism is an appropriate response to negative nationalism and all the challenges arising from it.
Friends, Indian Youth Dialogue is an initiative by Desh Ki Baat to make country aware of the questions of economic, social and political justice and national unity. Making country the country that our freedom fighters dreamt of, the country that every Indian is proud of. We appeal to all the youth of the country who wishes to make our country a better place to live in, who love the country, to join the dialogue. Jai Hind.